So I wish that I could be doing a snowshoe right now, but I gotta clean up a bit. But for this video, can you tell the difference between natural light and the use of off-camera flash as a fill-in to make it look natural? This is what it's about. I'm gonna get back to shoveling. Let me know. Enjoy the video. Oh, shit. This is Denise. She's an actress, model, filmmaker, producer. Am I missing something? Artist, if you saw her paint in her last video. So I got this umbrella on sale from ADORAMA. It's a glow brand. It's good to have it sometimes over a traditional softbox, just for portability purposes. Since they're umbrellas, they close like an umbrella. The size of them are very compact, so it makes life easier. So I highly suggest to invest in one of these. Turn around.
Oh, I was gonna say, does the light shine through the umbrella? So the light bounces off the umbrella.
Correct.
And through this diffuser.
Correct.
Look at that. I am a filmmaker, you see?
So for this video, we're gonna be using the A7 III with the Tamron 20-75 off-camera flash. All right, look, this is where I'm at, where I'm like limited because my bag is here and there's things here, and this is where she's at.
And the wall is here. I cannot go any further.
But I'm gonna try to shoot where. For those that want to know my settings, the light is at 128, 125th camera, sync speed, 2.8. I'm at 250 ISO. All right, let me just switch out the lens.
You gonna switch them?
Yeah, I'm a prime guy at heart.
What millimeters were you?
I was at 28, so that was a 28 to 75 focal length.
Now what are you switching?
Back to the 35.
35 for light.
It's my favorite focal length, prime lens. So I'm gonna just stick to natural light because the window lighting is good. Well, I just realized that it cut off, so so I'm gonna end it right here. Just shoot Denise with her little parakeet.
Baby, you gotta say hello.
Subscribe and like this video, especially if you like birds.
You like birds? This is baby. She says hello. Look at it. She won't even look at the camera. Look, baby. Say hello to old master.
Camera shy.
Yeah.
So yeah, my name is Amauris and I'm out. Peace.
Howdy.